Hello guys, this Saturday afternoon I want to take a stroll. I'm in Nyakoi Market, this Kisii Kisumu Road. I want to go and check my vegetables and miss the one that I planted. I've used the shortcut. There's a wrong route. Let us use the shortcut. This is a tributary, the small one that we are crossing. Oh, gosh. We are walking around the river. This Nyakoi Market, our local market as always. This is the shortest route to my farm, the one that I'm taking. It has not rained for the last 2 weeks, 2 days now. It's a bit dry. It's another small tributary joining the river. Wow. The water is very clean. I think you like it. Very, very clean. This is Mogusi River. When we were kids, we used to swim here, and the water was very clean. People have turned this place as a damming site, as you can see. I don't know, the county government is asleep or what, I don't know. This is supposed to be the government land, but people have grabbed it. It's a filthy place I'm passing through. We have men, small, small legs. Look. Yesterday was a market day. Soon I'm making a trip on how the market day looks like. These are stores where people sell their wares. It's a dark. They say in a market there must be birds. As I told you earlier, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ask Mike. We have a target. Already we have 120 subscribers. It has been a month since we started this YouTube channel. It is through you guys. I'm happy. I'm very grateful that you are my subscribers and I will not let you down. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is our local market by the name Nyakoi. This a county market. Yeah. We are going to the farm. We want to see vegetables, sukuma, and avocados at the farm. So we are using the shortcut route. This is the road that comes from Nyakoi Market and it joins the Nyakoi Maran route. But it's the shortest route that we are taking. There's another route, but it's a bit far. So we decided to use this road. When we were kids, we used to move here from the farm and to the farm in the morning, while coming back in the evening. During that time, no vehicle could pass here. But today, I can see the place is so nice with a lot of buildings coming up and vehicles also pass here. All these places were forests. But right now, you can see studios, big buildings. As you all know, Kisii Highlands is a very green place with a lot of vegetation. As you can see, bananas are all over. Yeah. Guys, we are not yet. We have like 300 meters. Buildings are coming up all over this place. Earlier 2000, the place had a lot of vegetation, but as you can see, there are a lot of buildings coming up. This is the wrong route that we could have used. we had to use the shorter route. This is the Kisii Maran Road. Tawangu biama. Na kimata. Biatal. Wako ande kasinera lu mwalimu antebi. Tanda raya dikere. We are taking another route. This one is a shorter route now that we are using. As you can see, we have a lot of bananas. The other side, this napier grass. In a few minutes, I'll show you the maize farm. Wow. At last, we are now a neglected farm. We have come to the farm where we have sukuma wiki. We have onions. It's a nice place. As you can see, maize is already ripe. So by next week, hopefully we are planning to start boiling some maize cobs. This one decided to smear the maize cobs with cow dung because of birds. Birds spoil maize, but once you smear them with cow dung, they run away. Let me show you an example like this one. This one has not been smeared. The birds eat it. But as you can see, these ones, the ones that are smeared, no bird can try it. So guys, I want to end my video here. And I ask you please to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ask Mike. And may God bless you. We have a lot of bananas here. As you can see, we have a bigger farm. Then we have a lot of maize. That one is an avocado, bigger one. We have a nice place. This is the road that comes from the Nyakoya Maran route. We have onions, we have skuma, all types of vegetables are here. And these are bananas. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ask Mike. And may God bless you.